What happens when decades-old allegations resurface against a global icon? Can justice prevail, or do time limits shield the accused? This is the dilemma surrounding rap mogul Jay-Z as his legal team fiercely fights to dismiss a case that hinges on allegations dating back to the early days of his career. Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Kindly subscribe, like, share, and turn on the notifications button to get an alert on the next video. Stay with us as we dive into the intricate details of this case, exploring its legal, moral, and emotional dimensions. By the end, we want to hear your thoughts. Do statutes of limitations help or hinder justice? The argument against the clock. In a recent twist, Jay-Z's legal team has doubled down on their argument that the allegations are simply too old to be legally valid. At the heart of their case is the statute of limitations, which sets a deadline for filing lawsuits to ensure fairness and reliability in legal proceedings. Jay-Z's lawyer emphasized in court filings that evidence can degrade, memories can blur, and witnesses may no longer be available as time passes. This isn't just a technicality, they argue. It's a foundational principle of justice. The allegations and Jay-Z's response. The unnamed accuser claims that Jay-Z, whose real name is Sean Carter, engaged in misconduct during the early stages of his career. The specifics, however, remain unverified, and Jay-Z has categorically denied any wrongdoing. In fact, according to NME, Jay-Z described the allegations as heinous in nature and labeled the case a blackmail attempt. While his legal team works tirelessly to have the case dismissed, Jay-Z himself has stayed silent, letting the courtroom and public opinion take center stage. Judge Analisa Torres has allowed the accuser to remain anonymous, a decision that has sparked its own debate about privacy and accountability in such high-profile cases. This case highlights a contentious issue. What happens when justice meets the ticking clock of legal deadlines? Advocates for survivors argue that trauma and fear often delay victims from coming forward, making statutes of limitations a significant hurdle. On the flip side, legal experts maintain that these time limits protect defendants from cases where evidence and testimonies may no longer hold up under scrutiny. It's a fine balance between ensuring fairness and giving survivors their day in court. This isn't the first time Jay-Z has faced legal challenges, but it may be one of the most complex. As the court deliberates, the world watches, eager to see whether the case proceeds or is dismissed on the basis of time. For now, the allegations remain unproven, and the debate around statutes of limitations continues to heat up. What's your take on this case? Do statutes of limitations serve justice, or do they deny it? Should exceptions be made for certain crimes, or is the law the law? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and share this video with your friends to keep the discussion alive. Let's unpack this complex issue together.